How are you all? Today's video is going to be very exciting. In this video, I'll show you how you can clone any channel, meaning how you can create content similar to any channel using NotebookLM. And not just that, I'll also show you how you can use AI to generate videos 100% free. So first, watch this demo. Imagine a structure so massive it outweighs the tallest skyscraper on Earth by 12 times. A monument built before the invention of the wheel, yet aligned to the stars with a precision that haunts modern engineers. For 4,000 years, it stood as the absolute peak of human achievement. But as our technology advances, the mystery does not fade. It deepens. We are told these were tombs for the kings of old. This video was generated 100% free using free AI tool, and the script was created by cloning some famous channels. For example, since this video is about the mystery of pyramids, you simply need to search for channels that have already created content on this topic, and NotebookLM will handle the rest. Now let me show you the process. First, go to Google and search for NotebookLM. Click on the first website and then click on Try NotebookLM. Click Create New Notebook. Once you do that, this interface will appear. You'll see an option that says Create Audio and Video Overviews from Websites. Now click on Websites. It'll ask you to paste some links. Go to YouTube and search for channels similar to the content you want to create and paste their video links here. You should add around 4 to 5 links. For example, I searched Pyramids of Egypt Mysteries. You'll see many videos. Pick the ones you like, right-click, copy their links, and paste them into NotebookLM. Repeat this process until you have 4 to 5 links. After that, click on Insert. Your sources will appear. It'll give you a brief overview of the videos. Then click Save to Notes and convert it into a source. Now we need a script. Copy the prompt from my description and paste it here. Scroll up and enter your topic. For example, Mystery of Pyramids of Egypt. Then set the duration. You can make it as long as you want. Click Generate, and within seconds, NotebookLM will give you an amazing script. Now we move to image generation. Copy the second prompt from the description and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat.
Paste your full script where it says Enter Full Script. Go to NotebookLM and copy the script and paste it. Once you do that, it will ask you to send part 1 or tell me to begin. Just type begin and hit enter. Once you hit generate, ChatGPT will create image prompts and video prompts for each line of your script. See, it has given us Whisk image prompts and Grok animations prompts. To continue for the next lines, just type continue and it will generate prompts for each line one by one. Repeat until all lines are covered. Now go to Whisk to generate images. Copy the image prompt for each line and paste it there. Set the aspect ratio to YouTube size and click Generate. You'll get 2 image options, preview them, and download the one you like. Repeat for all lines. I'll fast forward here and generate all the image. Next step, video generation using Google Flow takes about just 10 credits. Go to the Google Flow website and click on Create with Flow. Open New Project. Click Start and upload the image that we generated from Whisk. Click Video and adjust some settings. VO, frames, 16 by 9, 1. If you click VO 3.1 Lite, you will get 3 options. VO Lite, VO Fast, VO Quality. Each one takes different credits. It's better to choose VO Lite as it only takes 10 credits and gives amazing results. Now copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Click Generate and your video will be created within seconds. Open the video and see the result for yourself. Download it. Now upload the second image and the second Grok animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Repeat the same process until you get all the desired clips. For best results, try using it late at night. I'll fast forward here. Repeat the process for all images. Upload, paste prompt, generate, and download. As you can see, there's no watermark and the quality is HD. Now for voiceover, go to Google AI Studio. Click Get Started, then choose Single Speaker. Paste your voice and hit Run. Within seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Download it. Final step, editing. Import all your clips into your editor and arrange them in sequence. Add the voiceover below. If your voiceover is longer than the clips, adjust the clip durations. Shorten or extend them as needed. Once everything is aligned, your video is ready. Here's the final result. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care until the next video.